Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Regional committees from both sides like we've done in the first phase, and we will try our best to resolve this issue at the earliest. To that he of course was very happy, very positive, and he said that he would like to see that we're able to resolve these issues at the earliest, and he stressed on that, and he said that we should work closely with some government also and with central government and find a way to resolve this issue at the earliest. So I told him that we will, but this is a process, and we need to discuss with a large number of stakeholders. We need to make a lot of field visits. These areas are much larger and much bigger and much more complicated compared to the last phase, and hence it may take a bit more time, but we will do our best.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.